And girls, we are back. Oh, little vapey. The heads are off. This is all the stuff that was left in the engine. There's the pistons. There's the crank. See the discoloring? See how it got rough there? But if you look, these things look perfect. But it got rough here. This was a computer controlled truck. So. Oh, she's yelling at the kid. But yeah, the pistons don't look bad. Rings, most of the rings are free. Let's look over here. So, ooh, let me get a flashlight. All right. So these cylinders, I own them. Hold on. Yeah, I got the cylinder owned. So these haven't been owned. They're real shiny. They're all glazed over. This one I wiped down. Might do it one more time because I still see scuffing. Right here. I mean, of course there's going to be scuffing. But, yeah, they're coming along. That doesn't look bad underneath either. Not bad to where we can't, Jesus. Boys and girls, look at that. Goes from this butchered, burnt up piece of crap to that. Literally 5 seconds with the own. I backed the spring all the way out. I don't have much material left on there, but cleaned them right up. Impressive. Let's see if it works for the main bearing caps. Alright, a little update. That's a clean one. This one I haven't cleaned yet, but not bad, not bad. So now over here, I cleaned them up. I used 400. None of these, can't feel those. Or is it this one you could feel? It's in between the bearing. We'll see. I'd say fuck it and send it. If we get that to polish up nice. We will see, boys and girls. We will see. But here she is. The shine came right off. So the cylinders don't look that bad. Rings look good. None of the rings are seized. But I have to change them. It did smoke. After the engine seized, it smoked like pretty good. So change those, change the seals, new bearings, new rings, new seals, new gaskets, put it back together. Yeehaw. No, that's 1200. We want to use 500. Take that. Take the itty bitty can of WD, give it a little spritz. Flop it around. I cut this myself. the point, right? Take it off after a few minutes or a few seconds, spray a little more, get another piece of paper. Looks like just cleaning it up. You don't want to remove any material. So when we're done, we'll take that and we'll polish it, make it look like this. All you need is a little metal cleaner. Alright, we'll show you that when we come back. Alright, boys and girls, while we wait for other measuring tools to arrive. So these are the rings off one of the pistons. The top ring is 0.45. It should be less than 0.18. The second ring is 0.27. It should be less than 0.25. The oil ring, where's the oil ring? The oil ring, I'm guessing, is wasted too. Yuck. Let's see. We have, sorry about the sandal shot. We have cleaned all these up. They look like they're in pretty decent shape. Focus. So that's just a, yeah, it looks like they're in decent shape. Everything moves free. We're still waiting on tools to take the heads apart. But where is it? So that's the front. This was that gouged bearing. Oh boy. Yeah, this was that gouged bearing. Cleaned it all up. I think I'm still gonna hit it with 1,000 grit and get some of that. Get some of that out of there. But yeah, then I'll clean all the rest of them. I'll polish it. There's some goop on it, but that one polished up. Oh, there's the polish. Yeah, polish them up. While we wait for our measuring tools, we'll try and get it as best we can. So, bearings, rings. I'm gonna clean up the cam. We'll see.